Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna take a look at something different, a Tomica this time. So take a look at the Skyline. I thought this was an R32, but actually isn't. It's just 2000, but still pretty cool castings from the 10th anniversary set. I got this on AliExpress, and these are actually real. They're pretty cool. Just want to review it, give it a little spin. Pretty cool 10th anniversary. So let's just pop it open right here. The plastic is already a bit ripped, so boom. Let's try to open it up. Okay. Plastic. Here, guys. Put that there for now. Out of the box. Pretty cool. So I gotta figure out which way should I open this from. Probably maybe this side. Jeez. They even got a little QR code if you want to scan that. I don't know what it is. I'm not sure. But here is the car. Okay. Here is the car out of the box. Look at that. Oh my god. Detail is insane, dude. So let's just slowly... It's got some weight to it. My god. Okay, guys. Come a little closer. Wow. It's got no grip. It's okay. Wow. The car is very detailed. I love this ruby red. It's also got these very cool, like, 80s, 90s style, like, kind of goldish rims. You see these a lot in, like, old Cadillacs and stuff, but still, it's really nice. Love the little, like, spoiler at the back. Pretty cool. Got the little S at the front with these clear plastic headlights with a little, I think, tampos at front. Yeah, this has some front tampos. And the back of the car is also really nice. That little spoiler and with the little back headlights made of plastic. Love the little RS turbo on the side. They gave this as much as attention as possible. But let's just quickly pop the doors open. But yeah, this thing does have like a bit of weight. So let's just open the door. They're like retractable doors. So like if you pull it, they'll like slam back together. So I gotta be careful. So look at that. Take a look at the interior. Let's like zoom in to the interior. Like let's wait for it to turn. Like zoom into that interior. Let's stop it real quick. We can look inside right there. Look at the seats, fully painted, and you can see that it is a right-hand sided drive car. Take a look at that. See the steering wheel right there. Love that even the back seats are painted in the back of the car. Really detailed. But yeah, let's just give it one more spin. Anyways, guys, this is a really cool casting. Hope you enjoyed the review and unboxing. Personally, myself, I enjoyed it. It even has a painted steering wheel, if I'm correct. No, it doesn't, but still very detailed casting. Anyways, guys, I'll see you later. See ya.